Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video we're going to be putting a Tomei catback exhaust on my brother's 2018 Stanced STI. Currently on it is a invidia titanium exhaust, so we'll be swapping that out and putting the Tomei in, and I'll also be including some sound clips before and after to see what it sounds. So let's get into it. Okay, so we got those two nuts and bolts out. Now we're going to head down here and take out the 3 exhaust hangers. There's one there and 2 on the mufflers right there, and it should just drop out in one piece. Okay, there's actually 2 more that are hiding in the corner. There's one just right up there on that side, and one right up there. You can just see it right there with the torch. Okay, so we just took off the old exhaust now, and now we're going to be putting on the Tomei. Okay, so we just got this all fully sorted now. We've tightened up those two bolts and chucked in all exhaust hangers. And as it's Tomei, it's just single exit now. So it just comes out of one exhaust place right there to the left. I think it looks pretty good and I reckon it'll sound sick. So let's get some exhaust clips now and see what you guys think. Okay guys, that will be it for today's video. Hope you guys like the Tomei single exit exhaust on my brother's Stance STI. And drop a like and subscribe below and comment what you guys think.